This is a Storm Chase Chicago production. We're driving on December 23rd at about 3:37 p.m. As you can see, plows probably haven't been down here yet. Start slowing down now, I'd say. The people behind us are keeping a good distance, so
yeah, that's good. Glad they're being cautious.
Read some tight pockets now. On 355, I should say, right around Maple. Northbound Heavy St. Charles to north. End of the local lanes Golf Talk out, but between 355 and 53. Westbound.
Here is the intersection of Mundhank and Barrington Road in Hoffman Estates, Illinois. We are currently looking west on Mundhank.
Party trays, platters, and buffets, and fresh salads. HBACatering.com. Traffic and weather together on 8 every 10 minutes on News Radio 780 WPM. And now the WPPM back into the forecast. Exactly what it's about. What's your weather advisory now runs until noon Thursday. Flood watch still in effect for Thursday afternoon through late Thursday night. Windy the rest of the afternoon. Sleet and freezing rain. A high of 33. Windy tonight. Breaking precipitation changing to rain south of Chicago. But it could be an extended period of icing to the north and west of the city. Temperatures about steady. Windy tomorrow with periods of rain. Southerly heavy wind gusts of 40 miles per hour. High 38. The lake front temperature 33. Midway 31. Or here 30 degrees.
I see flashing police lights up ahead. Still working. I wonder if there's a rack up here.
Your doctor prescribed to help you manage your high cholesterol. It was for a good reason. And seniors should keep that in mind during the Medicare Part D open enrollment period. Whether you're thinking about changing the Medicare Part D plan or you're enrolling for the first time, make sure Lipitor is covered by your plan. Lipitor is not for everyone, including people with liver problems and women who are nursing, pregnant, or maybe fell pregnant. You need
That would have been good.
I want that policeman back there to see us.
Oh, okay. Yeah. That's good. Well, that would have been interesting to show that pickup trucks on the side.
That would have been sweet.
Visit an AT&T store today for 50% off all BlackBerry smartphones. Click on AT&T.com or call 1-866-MOBILITY. AT&T, your world delivered. Pay $199.99 after mail-in rebate. Receive $100 AT&T promotion card. 2-year service agreement with minimum $30 monthly data plan required. 50% off plan based on after rebate price with 2-year agreement and $30 data plan. While supplies last. Card is not redeemable for cash. Other restrictions apply. See store.
To stop at some point.
Time 3:45. Time to check out Comcast on demand. Also time to check out sports. Jeff Johannes getting ready for the bike.
What?
Indoors today without Lance Briggs. Now with a little sore lower.
Oh yeah, pickup truck went off the road up ahead. I think he like hit the bridge support or something.
There's a pickup truck up there.
Yes, can't you see
Oh
it?
yeah, I see it. Now it's coming in.
Dang.
Good thing it's right there.
That would have been sweet. Now here comes the ice. You're clicking?
Yeah.
Probably the night before the game, we're going to start. You'll see some time with Israel and Donahue and maybe some Gaines Adams as well.
Oh my.
Gerard Gilbert could also be up for the Bears. They play game number 16.
Take a look at it.
Oh, that means
It's up on the railing. Oh wow.
Coming up at 4:15, the Vikings head coach
Here comes the ice.
after losing their 8th period of the road last night in New York. They'll be hosting
Okay, it's 3:45. We are heading southwest on Barrington Road. There is ice all over. There are vehicles off the road. It's a situation kind of like out of a snowstorm.
With sports at 15 and 45 and home of the Bears, Jeff Jody at News Radio 780 WBBN. 347. What cafe is this? Big shop. It's celebrating 60 years of excellence. Come in to treat yourself to your industry. Santa Claus service or a light lunch. Delicious cake for weddings and all occasions. Visit lunch. 24/6 offers or at lunchcafe.com. You know, honey,
I want to see some more cars go sliding. That would be fun. I want to get some on video.
There are a lot of things you don't know. Like, when is our wedding anniversary?
I know that.
It's New Year's. How about our kid's birthday?
Which one?
We only have one.
Well, it's the Freckles.
Neighbor.
And Springer and FedEx office has all your birthday packing and shipping needs. Find your solution at one of our 1,800 locations. Go to FedEx.com/office. FedEx Kinko's is now FedEx office.
That's some intense ice.
ChicagoHalfOff.com. Money's tight. Deals are loose. Go get them. ChicagoHalfOff.com.
Hello, Chicago. This is Shannon Donahoe, the producer for WBBM. Having very happy holidays, and special thank you to all of our listeners from our northern states, Wisconsin, as well all of us at News Radio